Okay, so now we're in the Mac version of installing Lync. So again, you log into your portal and go to install Lync, and then if we just scroll down and click on install, and then that'll download to your Mac desktop. So once you've downloaded to your Mac desktop and then run the program application, you'll end up with Lync Mac, in this instance 2011. So we always try and keep the most up-to-date version. It makes everything far easier. Okay, so we put our details in. Email, user ID are the same, your current password. But so once you've installed and then you put in your email address, user ID, which are both the same, and password, leave signing as automatic. Now you can try signing in, but more often than not it'll reject it. So if you click on advanced and select manual configuration, so this is the only quirk with Mac for Mac users, is that you need to ensure that the internal and external server name are as follows. So that applies for all Mac users. So connect using TLS, I'll just leave that as it is and click OK, and then click sign in. Okay, so now you'll see that we're logged in, and I would now refer you to the Windows versions for information on how to utilise the Lync software.